Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Real quick, if you are new to my channel, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you could be part of it. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'm going to invite you that if you have done your unboxing and I haven't seen it, I invite you to leave your link on the comment section so I could check it out. So thank you so much for watching, and this video is going to be different. I'm not going to be really doing an unboxing because you probably received your box already. You already know what everybody received, but I really want to do a battle between two different boxes and see which one is the winner, which one I'm really wowed by. So just keep on watching. But for the Boxycharm, I was calculating everything that I received, and the total came out for Boxycharm. The retail value came out to $134 for this box. $134 is the value of everything that I received, and minus the amount that I paid, which is $21. It came out to $113, the total value, deducting the amount that I paid for this box. Now, Try Beauty box, like I said, is a little bit more expensive. The subscription is $34.99, but you do pay for shipping. Therefore, it brings it up to like $39.98. Let's say I just put $40. The value for the items that I did receive for this month subscription came out to $134. No, it actually came out to $127.49. Deducting the $40, it came out to the value of $87. If I compare Boxycharm, which is $113, versus this one that's $87, the difference is $26, which is almost another Boxycharm. For Try Beauty box, I'm going to be showing you real quick the items that I received. Was the palette from the Balm. I really like the palette. I like how it was separated, the mattes on the top, the shimmer on the bottom, and it had 6 of each. So I really like that. It has some good colors there, and it was really soft for me to blend. I feel like it was softer for me to blend versus the shades is the only one that it's matte. That one was like, I feel like it was harder for me to blend. I don't know, it feels a little bit more patchy. I don't know, it could have been me. But one versus the other, I feel like the Balm palette one, that one was retail for $29. Retail value for this palette is $38, so this one is a little bit more. It's about $10 more, but you do get other items here. The blush, which I am wearing. I'm wearing the blush. I'm wearing this one as well. I feel like it gives it a nice shimmer. Just put a little bit more here for the contour. I did a little bit more here. And this one I did for the brow bone, but I feel like it wasn't as pigmented. I don't see that much shimmer. The other item that I received from Try Beauty box, I got 3 different type of brushes, which I really like. Between all of them, it retails to almost $20. So there were eye makeup brushes, and one was for the blush, so that was really good. I also received a masquerade cleanser. It looks like a stick. It is a stick, and it's easier for you to cleanse with that, and it has some good ingredients in there, so I really like that product. That I really like and I enjoyed was the Bella Pierre Ombre Kiss lip set. I like that it came with 2 full-size lipstick and a lip liner, and they were really soft. Oh my god, they lasted for the whole day, and it didn't dry my lips. So I really like that one, and that one retailed for $45. So I did like a lot more of the products that I received from Try Beauty box. I'm not saying that is one that I'm going to stay subscribed to because it is a little bit more expensive. This is why I do spoilers, and it's the reason why I like to look at spoilers, because that way I'll know if I really want to invest that money on a box that I'm going to put it to good use. Now for Boxycharm, I did, like I showed you already, got the Per Midnight Masquerade. I did my eye makeup look using this palette. What I did, I didn't want to cheat. This is a palette that we used before, also from the same company, and is Soiree Diaries. Is all full of neutrals there, and all the ones on the top, all 8 shades, are all matte. So I used a few of those just to do the top. So the other item that I did receive was the It Superhero. I think everybody got this mascara, but I got that mascara. Somebody sent this to me, and you know who it was. Hopefully you're watching the video. And I'm like, I'm not gonna open this. I think I'm just gonna put it to the side and do a giveaway later on, or give it to somebody. And this is a really nice size. I saw a few videos of they did their unboxing, and they also did the mask. The mask looks really pretty because it's like it's lace. Now I could kind of understand why it costs $30 because it's lace. It's very pretty, and you have two in here, but I think $30 is still too much. But once I saw that the person, when they were doing the unboxing, when they were putting the mask, they started peeling that off. Most of the people that I've seen the videos, it says that it does hurt. It feels like they're taking off the, their frizzy hair. That I am not gonna try that. So far that's another item that I won't be using, so that I will give away as well. I got the Green Clean Pharmacy. This is a really good product. When this came out, I didn't have that box, but I did try it in Sephora, and I had my husband try it on his hand, and you put it on, it was green, and then once it dries, it turns like a lavender color. OMG, both of his hands, once he finished, the one where he put it was super light, super white, and it left it, you could see the big difference just by one time using it in the store while we were in Sephora. So I'm like, wow, this product really works in just one use. So I know this is gonna be a good product, but I do like my cleansing routine in the sense of how I'm removing my makeup, and the products that I'm using are Korean, and I like how it's taking off my taking off my makeup, and I really like that routine. So this I might just give away as well. So it's something else that I'm not gonna keep, and that retails for $22. The next thing is, I was debating about this one because there was things going on and said about the brand, and I'm not the type of person that I would attack a brand because we all make mistakes. Nobody's perfect, and sometimes today you may do something very stupid, and guess what? We are not perfect. We are entitled to make mistakes. The key is that we learn from it, that it makes us better people because of the mistakes that we did, and then we become a spokesperson that we could help others not make the same mistake, especially when you have so many people looking at you. So you have a bigger platform for you to have a good, positive voice. So that's the reason why I really don't attack brands, because I feel like nobody's perfect. Now, that's the reason why I was debating. I was really kind of excited about it. I really don't have that many products for Kat Von D, and the shade is pretty bright. I don't know if this is like the purple tone or the fuchsia tone. It just says K-Dub. But the more I've been hearing stuff about her and about this brand and what they follow or what they do, but for that, since I'm still debating, it's not concrete yet, at least for now, since I'm still debating, I don't want to open it and I don't want to try it in case I do make a decision. And if, let's say, I do want to keep it, then I could try it, and if I don't, I could just give it away or do something with it. The retail value of that lipstick is $20. To me, it was a little missed because a lot of the stuff I'm not gonna use, or I already have one, it's not gonna use. So for that, I don't feel like it was the best box at all. I don't, but at least I got Tribe Beauty box, and I feel like I'm really happy with the items that I got there. So I really hope you like this video. You could give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of Jazz Journey. So thank you so much for watching, and on to the next video. Bye.